Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Instapage for CRM Conversion Tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Instapage for CRM Conversion Tracking, visit the Instapage website. Click on the Sign Up button if you don't have an account, or log in if you do. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Next, navigate to the Integrations section found in the left sidebar. In the Integrations page, you will see various options for connecting to your CRM. Locate the CRM you want to integrate, such as Salesforce or HubSpot. Click on the respective CRM integration option to proceed. You will be prompted to connect your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to log into your CRM account and authorize the connection. After successful authorization, return to the Instapage integrations page. Now, you will need to create a new landing page or select an existing one. If creating a new page, click on Create New Page and choose a template that suits your needs. When your page is set up, go to the Settings option in the top toolbar. In the Settings menu, find the Conversion Tracking section. Activate Conversion Tracking by toggling it on. Select your connected CRM from the drop-down menu. You'll then need to specify the conversion action you want to track, like form submissions or button clicks. Fill in the necessary details for the conversion action, including any relevant parameters. Once everything is set, click the Save button to preserve your changes. You can now publish your landing page to make it live. Visit the linked CRM to ensure the conversion tracking is working correctly. You have successfully set up CRM conversion tracking with Instapage. Review your tracking data regularly to analyze the performance of your campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.